Very good morning to one another. I am Dr. Naloguma, working as a professor under Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis under the Pioneer Institution SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences at Coimbatore. My institution was Pioneer Institution in India. We have well equipped pharmaceutical analysis laboratories, and we have high sophisticated instruments like HPLC, high performance liquid chromatography, like UPLC, and IR, infrared spectroscopy we have, and GC, gas chromatography, like high sophisticated instruments we have. And my students, UG and PG students are handling such instrumentations. I need to give some awareness about these pharmaceutical errors for them. That is the reason I was selected this topic actually. In the previous video, we was discussed about volumetric pharmaceutical errors and major source of pharmaceutical errors. Like instrumental errors, we briefly discussed. Now we are going to see about the personal errors. So how the personal errors will occur. Careless or lack of calibration or lack of maintenance always will end with errors and low accuracy level in your test result. So how to overcome such issues means we need to train the candidate, or you need to perform such highly sophisticated instruments under these experts. So if I am an example for analytical person and I have more than 18 plus years of experience, and even I was worked a couple of years for calibration and maintenance activities as well as interpretation of mass and NMR also. So such person's knowledge, we need to share, and we need to get if instrument handling related any doubts, first you have to clarify with the experts, and you need to gain the knowledge about each instrument wherever we are using in this analytical area. So some basic information. So how to switch on that instrument, how to switch off that instruments. Before switch on that instrument, what are the protocols we need to follow, and you need to properly follow this SOP also. And how we are understanding that SOP, standard operating procedure, and how we are implementing that SOP when we are handling that instrument, that is very, very important. So we have clearly given SOP for all the instrumentation. If you have any doubt in our in my lab, you can ask me. You have to clarify before using that instruments. And these type of personal errors, we can avoid with the help of experts. Now I am moving to this method errors. These method errors they given incorrect or unsuitable analytical methods. So which monograph we are going to use, that is matter. So these monograph is suitable for doing the process, particular process in the particular instrument, correct or not, we need to follow. Like we have different kind of guidelines. ICH guidelines, we have International Conference on Harmonization, WHO guidelines, also we have World Health Organization guidelines. We are following in my laboratories ICH and WHO guidelines. These are the two guidelines, always standard guidelines you need to follow. In this ICH, we have different area, quality, safety, efficacy, then serials, subtitles, sub-serials, everything clearly we need to understand before doing such analytical activity. And the next one, environmental errors always play important role in this. Like temperature or humidity or light may affect your test result. So the light directly will never affect your test result, it will affect your sample or a solution or a solvent. So we need to protect properly your solvent systems, or after making suitable dilution, we need to preserve all the solutions. So I mean the sample solutions properly, and humidity is very important, and we have the AC, air conditioner, also very important. We have in our SNS College of Pharmacy and Sciences, under our instrumentation, the central instrumentation lab, we have well equipped AC facilities, and it was centralized AC actually facilities. Okay, we are providing. So, and the temperature, okay, we can control properly. So I am going to conclude here. In this pharmaceutical errors, the major sources of errors, I am repeating once again, the instrumental errors, personal errors, method errors, and instrumental errors. Those who are handling any kind of analytical instruments, you have to aware of these four pharmaceutical errors. Major, okay, errors only highlighted here. I hope this session is very useful for you. Thank you all. Have a nice day.